That will be the city of Victoria. That one. And I'll show you the 360. We are here at Mount PKOLS. Wow.
It's 11,000 feet. Also known as Kushan. Second most thermally active crater.
Second thermal. Huh.
That's not good.
I did not know that. I've never heard of it.
One that looks tall.
Oh, I'm
What
cold.
about that one mountain that has a bulb on it? Observatory?
I don't know. Where? I don't know what that is.
And the ball? I saw it
Sir.
on the wall.
I've seen that before. I don't know what it is though. I think, as you said, some sort of observatory.
What lake is this?
That is the Georgia Strait.
Georgian Bay?
The Georgia Strait.
Oh, Georgia's Bay.
Not the Georgia Gay.
Wow. That's below.
You think my mom just gave up on trying to get out?
Oh, there's a cruise ship on that side. At Victoria City.
I'm gonna die.
Okay. It must be cold.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, let's go down. We're gonna go down now.
Port Angeles.
Whoa. Going down. Going down. Wow, beautiful place.
On YouTube.
Hello, hello. Namaste.
Namaste!
Namaste. Hmm. 1500 meters high. This Nichols, formerly known as Douglas Park. Yeah, where is the summit? I'll show you. Oh, this is PKOLS. They call it PKOLS. I'm sorry about I mentioned something else. This is PKOLS, formerly known as Mount Douglas Park. I'll show you something beautiful. This side. Yeah, that's it. From Mount Pico, you can see the city of that's a Victoria City. Time to go home. Here we go. Show you. We climbed 1,500 meters.